Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something most men will never say out loud, what we truly admire in women. See, we got this image out there, right? Like men only care about looks, about curves, about the surface stuff. But let me be real with you. When a man grows up, when he starts understanding what love really means, he starts noticing something much deeper. Because the truth is, what men secretly admire ain't what they brag about to their boys. It's what they feel in their soul when they meet the right woman. Confidence. That's the first thing that catches a man's attention and keeps his respect. I'm not talking about arrogance or acting like you're better than everybody else. I'm talking about that quiet confidence, that self-assured energy that says, I know who I am and I'm not apologizing for it. See, a woman who walks in her truth doesn't need to compete or prove herself to anyone. She's not chasing validation. She already knows her worth. And let me tell you something. Men see that they might not say it out loud, but deep down, it makes them stop and pay attention because a confident woman carries a power that can't be faked. It's in the way she talks, the way she walks, the way she handles herself when life throws curveballs. She doesn't crumble under pressure. She adjusts her crown and keeps moving. That kind of energy pulls a man in because it shows strength, independence, and self-love. Now, the funny thing about confidence is that it's not about how loud you are. It's about how solid you are. It's in the woman who doesn't get easily rattled by opinions or gossip. It's in the woman who can walk into a room full of people and not need to be the center of attention to shine. She's comfortable in her skin. A man admires that because it gives him peace. He doesn't have to constantly reassure her or play games to make her feel secure. She's already whole, and that makes him want to step up his game to match her energy. Real men crave that kind of woman because she inspires growth just by being herself. Let me tell you something else. When a woman is confident, she sets the tone for how she's treated. A man looks at her and realizes he can't come at her with half effort or weak talk. He knows she's not desperate for attention, so he either rises to her level or he moves on. And that right there is what separates a confident woman from the rest. She's not afraid to walk away if something doesn't feel right. That's power. Men secretly admire women who don't chase them but attract them through grace and self-respect. Because the truth is, every man wants a woman who makes him feel lucky to have her. Confidence also brings peace into a man's world. When a woman is secure in herself, she doesn't need to constantly question his love or compare herself to others. She gives him space to breathe and trust to grow. That's something men find deeply attractive because it creates emotional safety, something they don't easily find. And even if he doesn't have the words for it. He feels her balance, her independence, her calm energy. So when a man meets a confident woman, it's not just her beauty that gets him, it's her aura. It's that unspoken message she carries. I know who I am and I'm enough. That kind of woman doesn't chase love. Love finds her. And once a man experiences that kind of energy, he never forgets it. Men secretly admire women who have standards, and I mean real standards, not the kind that are just written down on paper, but the kind that show up in her choices, her boundaries, and the way she carries herself every single day. See, a woman with standards knows her worth. She doesn't beg for attention, she doesn't chase affection, and she doesn't accept half love. She knows that if it costs her peace, it's too expensive. And believe me, men notice that kind of woman. They might not admit it out loud, but when a woman has that quiet strength, that line she won't let anyone cross, it shakes a man to his core. Because she's different. She's not desperate. She's disciplined. And that makes her stand out in a world where too many people settle for less just to feel wanted. When a man meets a woman with standards, it changes the game for him. He realizes right away he can't come at her with games or empty words. He has to show up with effort, consistency, and respect, because a woman with standards doesn't fall for promises. She pays attention to patterns. She doesn't want a man who talks about what he's going to do. She wants one who actually does it. That kind of woman doesn't lower her expectations to make someone else comfortable. She raises the bar because she knows the right man will meet it without being intimidated. Men secretly admire that because it makes them better. It pushes them to grow up, step up, and become the kind of man who's worthy of her time. A woman with standards also knows the difference between being wanted and being valued. She's not impressed by temporary gestures. She's drawn to consistency. A man who truly respects her will see that and rise to her level. But here's the thing, even the ones who can't match her will still admire her. They might not be able to handle her, but they'll never forget her, because a woman with standards leaves a lasting impression. She teaches a man what it means to treat a woman right, even if she's not the one he ends up with. She becomes the example he measures others by, even when she's no longer in his life. Men admire standards because they create mystery and value. They make a man earn something worth having. And see, when a man has to earn you, he treasures you differently. When he has to work for your time, your trust, and your love, he doesn't take it for granted, because deep down, men respect what they have to put effort into. They admire the woman who doesn't let them in too easily, not because she's playing games, but because she respects herself too much to be just another option. So when a woman stands tall in her worth, doesn't bend her rules for attention, and refuses to settle for halfway love, that's when men truly see her value. She might lose a few people by having standards, but she gains the one thing that matters: respect. And that respect, once she has it, makes every man around her rise a little higher. Men secretly admire women who carry peace, not the kind of peace that's just silence or absence of arguments, but that deep, common energy that makes everything around her feel steady. When a man meets a woman who has peace within her, it's like he's found something he didn't even realize he was searching for, because most men live in a world that never stops demanding. They're out there fighting battles, at work, in life, trying to prove themselves, trying to make things happen. The world can be loud and heavy, so when he finds a woman whose presence feels like calm after a storm, that's a rare gift. He may not know how to describe it, but he knows what it feels like. It feels like home. A peaceful woman doesn't mean she's quiet all the time or never speaks up. No, she's just balanced. She doesn't let small things shake her. She's not living in drama, not feeding off chaos. When something goes wrong, she breathes, she thinks, and she handles it with grace. That's powerful because peace is strength disguised as softness. A man can have all the noise in the world, success, money, recognition, but if he doesn't have peace, none of it means anything. So when he finds a woman who can bring that peace into his life, who doesn't add to the noise, but helps him find silence in the storm, that's something he treasures deeply. Men admire peaceful women because peace is rare. In today's world, everyone's rushing, arguing, trying to prove something. But a woman who knows how to slow down, who knows how to be still and stay grounded, she stands out. Her energy is healing. Her presence alone can make a man rethink how he moves. She's not controlling, not demanding, not trying to fix him every second. She gives him space to breathe, to be himself, to grow. And that kind of woman changes a man. She gives him the safety to open up, to drop the armor he wears every day just to survive. That's what peace does. It opens people up. Peaceful women also understand timing. They know when to talk, when to listen, when to just let things flow. That doesn't mean they accept nonsense. It means they know how to handle things with maturity. They don't throw fire on every spark. They solve problems without turning them into wars. Men admire that deeply because it shows emotional intelligence, something that's worth more than beauty or charm. It's something that lasts. A woman who carries peace also brings stability. Her presence reminds a man that life doesn't always have to be a fight. She helps him rest, reset, and refocus. And when a man finds that kind of woman, he'll do anything to protect her peace because he knows she's protecting something he needs too. That's the kind of woman men secretly admire. The one who doesn't just look good on the outside, but feels good to be around. The one who brings calm where there was chaos, light where there was stress, and love where there was confusion. She's not just peace. She's power in its most beautiful form. Men secretly admire loyalty in a woman more than they'll ever say. In a world where everything seems temporary, where people walk away the moment things get hard, loyalty stands out like gold. A loyal woman is a rare treasure because she's not just around for the good days. She's there when things get messy. She believes in her man when he's struggling, not just when he's shining. That kind of love hits different. Men may act tough, like they don't need anybody, but when they find a woman who's loyal, who stands beside them through the ups and downs, it touches something deep in their soul, because real loyalty can't be faked. It's not just words, it's actions, it's consistency, it's choosing to stay when it's easier to leave. A man might have a lot of people cheering for him when he's winning, but he'll always remember the woman who stood by him when nobody else believed. That kind of woman becomes unforgettable. She's not just his partner. She becomes his backbone, his calm in the storm, his reminder that he's not alone. And the truth is, a man who's seen loyalty in its purest form will spend the rest of his life trying to honor it. He might not always know how to say it, but he feels it every time she shows up for him, every time she protects his name when he's not around, every time she chooses love, even when it's not easy. Loyalty doesn't mean a woman tolerates disrespect or forgets her own worth. It means she loves with commitment. She knows love isn't always butterflies and smooth roads. Sometimes it's work, patience, and faith. She's not loyal because she's weak. She's loyal because she's strong enough to see beyond the moment. Men admire that because it's so rare to find someone who stays solid when everything else is uncertain. A loyal woman doesn't switch sides based on her mood. Her loyalty isn't built on what a man has. It's built on who he is and what she believes in. That's what makes her powerful. Men also admire loyalty because it gives them security. A loyal woman makes a man feel safe, not in a physical way, but emotionally. He knows she's not out here entertaining every distraction. He knows her love is focused. Her words are true. That kind of security lets him be vulnerable, something men struggle with more than they admit. When he realizes he's with someone who won't throw his flaws in his face, who won't walk away at the first mistake, it changes him. It makes him want to be a better man, not out of fear, but out of respect. So when a woman is loyal, it doesn't go unnoticed. Even if a man doesn't always express it, he admires it, he values it, and he remembers it, because loyalty is more than love, it's devotion. And when a man finds that in a woman, he knows he's found something rare, something real, something he may never find again. Men secretly admire women who inspire them, not just by words, but by the way they live, move, and carry themselves through life. An inspiring woman doesn't have to preach or push. Her presence alone sparks something inside a man. She's driven, she's focused, and she's passionate about her goals. She's not waiting around for someone to complete her. She's building her own life, chasing her dreams, and shining in her own lane. And when a man sees that, it wakes something up in him, because men are natural providers, protectors, and builders. But when they meet a woman who's already building herself, it challenges them in the best way. It makes them want to rise higher, to do better, to become more. An inspiring woman doesn't just talk about her plans. She executes them. She turns her pain into purpose, her lessons into wisdom, and her setbacks into comebacks. A man watches that and thinks, that's the kind of woman I want beside me, because he knows that if she can handle her own storms, she won't fall apart when life gets hard. She doesn't need saving, but she welcomes partnership. That's the difference. A woman like that doesn't demand a man's success, she adds to it. She doesn't drain him, she fuels him. Her ambition makes him dream bigger. Her resilience reminds him that quitting isn't an option. And even when she's tired,